Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight to kick things off on Monday. Capital markets, trading markets, Seprod Limited here. Dividend declaration here by Seprod. It's a good one. Seprod's board of directors, the meeting was held September 9th, 2022, and the dividend declared was 50 cents Jamaican per share. It's going to be paid in October 12th, 2022. Seprod clearly had a good meeting last week, Friday, September 9th. Now, General Insurance Company, that's Key Insurance Company Limited, appointment of directors here. It's a good one here by Key Insurance, coming up for their 40th anniversary year. Talk about Key Insurance doing it in a big way. Key Insurance states that it's pleased to announce the appointment of two new directors, Mrs. Nicole Case and Mrs. Ashley Ann Foster Horn. They're appointed to the board of Key Insurance. The meeting was held September 7th, just last week, 2022. Now, Carreras Limited, a little bit different tale of the tape here. The resignation of managing director coming out in the marketplace on the JSE now as a corporate action item by Carreras, and a bit of a surprise for us on Business Live here, in just say 3 years or so. Bottom line here, Carreras advises of the following senior management change. Now, well known, Mr. Raul Glynn will be resigning effective the end of this month. That's September 30th to take up. And this is a good sign, actually. It's not an immediate resignation. There's some time, and he's going to be taking up a role within BAT. That's British American Tobacco Group. So his resignation, again, effective the end of this month. And Mr. Franklin Murillo will be appointed to the position of Managing Director, MD, effective that next day, October 1st, 2022. Now, Indus Pharma Jamaica, talk about some earnings report here coming out. Indus Pharma clearly back in the good books of the market here and back in a big way. That's the third quarter for Indus Pharma. Net profit surging 71%. Big time number here by Indus Pharma and Dr. Gunamapuri, and of course his board of directors, the management team for the company out west, Montego Bay. Indus Pharma reported third quarter results. That's for the period ended July 31st. Revenue hitting 264.7 million versus 207.6 million year over year. Improvement on the top line, 28%. Net profit, as we mentioned, skyrocketed 72.7 million from 42.5 million year over year. Last up, Barita Investments, BIL, ticker symbol BIL. They ringing in the 45th anniversary with the JSE Jamaica Stock Exchange in a big way here. Burrito notes two significant achievements. That's the 45th anniversary with the JSE. Not many companies, security dealers, financial groups, investment banks even get there. And 5 years actually after the acquisition by Cornerstone Investments Limited. Now, the bottom line is, since listing in 2009, Barita has appreciated actually over 3,000%. Now, a lot of companies, financial companies especially, after going public, some of them, haven't really done as well. When you look at actually, even if it's from a price to book value, price to sales, let's say even, price to earnings standpoint, etc., or the history. But the bottom line here is, let's repeat it, 3,000% over that period of time, 13 years or so. Huge number. Now, powerful, impactful statements by Dane Brodber, Barbara Hume, Jason Chambers, demonstrating the depth of the teams at Cornerstone or Burrito. Great statements there on jamstockx.com. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live. Have a great evening.